Hi, in this video I will show you how to switch your Twitter application to private. So if your account is public and you want to make your tweets and account the private, you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Twitter mobile application. Once you will open it, log into your account that you want to make the private, and after that you have to click on the three lines on the left top. Once you will click on it, you will see page like this. Now click on the settings and the privacy on the second one option. Once you will do it, you will see multiple options here. You have to click on the privacy and the safety. Now click on it and you will see multiple options here. Simply you have to turn this toggle on to make your private, because this is for protecting your tweets from only current follower and the people you approve in the future. They will see your tweets on the Twitter. So in this way you can switch your Twitter account to private. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.